So welcome all guys. In this video we'll see that how to get this MiniMax M2.7 for free, and for that you have to go here. You have to come here, nvidia.com/models. NVIDIA have just announced on Twitter that they made this model free, and I will also show you that how can you set up this on Kilo Code. Let's say for that, just come to this URL. You have to log in, sign up, and open this, then click on view code, and you have to generate an API key here. For that, let's say you can also use the OpenAI. This is OpenAI compatible endpoint for NVIDIA, and you can paste your API key here. Let's use a shell command, copy it, and I already have set this variable in my run command file. Let me show you this. Let's generate an API key. I've logged in now. Generate an API key. It is here now. Copy it, paste it here. Sorry, I have to copy the shell command, and it will work. See, the response have came in a streaming format. Let's close this and let me show you the URL. This is the OpenAI compatible endpoint. Let's try to add this on Kilo Code. Go to providers, and we have to add a provider. It will be custom provider, and provider ID, let's say NVIDIA 2, and base URL with this. API key will be this, and it will automatically fetch all the models. You just have to select all, and if you want to select only specific models, you can select that, add models, and click on submit. Now let's come here and search for MiniMax NVIDIA 2. We have added this, and this has been added. Let's select this 2.7, and let's say scan the code base. Close this. Scan the code base and improve SEO of all pages. Let's write a basic prompt. You can also modify it, enhance prompt, and let's see. Say it's working. Don't save. So this is how you can get this MiniMax M2.7 for free API key, and you can add this on Kilo Code. Thanks for watching.